You know, so as you guys see that it is the next morning or the next day. Let me focus out. It is the next day and we are actually up here working. And if you guys watched the video before this one here, we was actually smoothing out the firewall. As you see, we already started tacking everything up. We actually cut our hole. We put our welding clamps on there, and we actually went on ahead and did the same thing to the driver's side so we can get started this morning. And y'all have seen all of the progress that we've been doing to this truck here. So we've got a lot of stuff done. We actually started yesterday, or the other day, we started with the inside. We actually welded the little pinholes that was over there in the cab. I was gonna cut a square plate, but I said, you know what, it seemed like it's pretty solid other than that, so I just welded that up, guys. And today hopefully we'll be able to at least just go ahead and prep this side here and get a little bit of mud on it. But it's going to be long and tedious, and I will show you some of that process. I'm not going to be focused completely on just tack welding and showing you guys that, but once I get some welds done and stuff, I would definitely turn you guys back on and let you see where we're at, guys. All right, guys, we are back, and I am just doing a quick little update, let you guys see where I'm at. Like I said, I was not going to show continuously welding. Like I said, I've been on here since 7 o'clock and it's now 11:30. So, you know, it's almost like 3 hours I've been actually out here tack welding it up on both sides. I took the welding clamps off of the driver's side, as you guys see. And like I said, it's going to be continuously round tack welding and then grinding down. But after I probably put my last tack welds on, I would turn you guys back on, because shortly after that we will go ahead and start sanding down this whole firewall. We may do that, or either definitely still got these holes plugged there. So there's a lot to do, guys. At least 2 more days worth of work and stuff, and I'm not going to bore you guys with the stuff that I've already showed you guys in previous videos. You guys know how I normally do things. So what I'm going to do, what I will do is I will definitely, once I get about my last tacks on here, I'll turn you guys back on to let you see how it's looking. As of right now, guys, it is looking fantastic. I mean, this is really what I wanted to go for. And like I said, it's going to be smoking when we get through with it, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and turn you guys back off for right now. I'm going to take a break, let this cool down. And of course, I actually just ran out of my gas. So I have to go to Tractor Supply and get me some more gas, because I was still trying to weld without the gas. But you can see actually that it's you know, it's a big difference when you're not welding with gas. You can see that it's like it leaves a lot of slag and stuff. So, you know, I want to try to do the best job that I can possibly do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some more gas. And while I'm doing that, we're gonna go ahead and let this set and cool. So that's a good thing. And then I will turn you guys right back on. So hang out with me for a little bit longer, guys. I think we're almost there. It's not going to be perfect today, because like I said, we're still roughing it in. But hey, we came a long way, guys, and I'm excited, and I hope you guys are too. So hey, I'll get back with you guys in probably 1 second. As you guys see, I basically got it tacked up. This has taken me all day to actually do. So I got a lot of hours in this here, trying to make sure it stays straight and everything. So what I went on ahead and did, as far as the little grooves that was here before, the ridges, like it was like a bead roller on these sides here, but I only cut my piece to fit, and then I said, well, I could go back and weld these pieces in. So I got them fitting here now, and that's on both sides, as you see. And you also see that I basically got this one all the way tacked up. So that turned out really well. And like I said, I have, you know, no warpage. I mean, there's nothing minimal about it. Just very smooth on both sides here, guys. I am so pleased with the, you know, outcome with this here. So only thing we got left today, we're gonna go ahead and tack these in, the little filler pieces, and I'm gonna call that a day, man. So I'm gonna set you guys up and we're gonna get started. All right, let's take a look at this, man. All right. Look at that there. I'm telling you. That's what you want. That's what we need. It's coming along, guys. The cap is coming along. I got Mo over here. He's helping me out today. He said he can come and hang out with me. As you guys see, all the work that we have done the last couple of weeks, it has been fun. I'm telling you, I'm digging it. I'm loving it. Everything is coming along as planned. A lot of welding. And you know, hey, this is a part of the project. And like I said, this truck is going to be a custom truck like I want it to be built. I'm not putting it back to factory or anything like that. You guys have seen all of my projects and how I like to try to do a little bit of custom work to my trucks and stuff. And so I think this is going to be a really good addition, you know, to what we have already. I don't know. I also got to start thinking of names. I know I don't even got the first coat of paint on it, but I already been thinking, what can I, you know, actually name this one once we get it done. So I'm really happy with what we got accomplished today. We started like around 7:30 in the morning, and now it's 5:30 in the afternoon. But like you guys know, I've had to take several breaks, 30 minutes to an hour, because I do not want to warp this metal. I do not. This is 18 gauge metal, and it's the same as what the factory had in it. But I tell you what, guys, we are doing an excellent job. And hey, she's gonna be smoking when I get through with it. You better believe it. So that's going to be the end of this video, guys. Hey, if you guys have been watching my videos, and if you have not already subscribed, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and help me out. Hit that subscribe button, guys. And if you like this, make sure you share it also with your friends, your neighbors. And that way we can continue making awesome videos like this, guys, and continue doing work. And hey, like I always tell people, guys, if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next video.